welcome to 1258 Gregory Landing Drive, where we have over 2,700 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, nice fenced-in backyard. I can't wait for y'all to see how awesome this house is. In this spacious 5-bedroom home that boasts over 2,700 square feet, you just saw that we've got an open concept living area that is open to the kitchen. Nice granite countertops, staggered height cabinets, lots of windows in the back there. Kitchen is one of my favorite things in this floor plan. Got a center island there that you could put a few bar stools at. An eat-in area. Very nice and open, bright and clean. Again, lots of light coming into this floor plan. This is the one and only bedroom and bathroom on the main level. So it's always good to have a bathroom, a full bathroom, and a bedroom when you have a 2-story house. As you can see, we've got 9-foot ceilings, walk-in closet. Now we're going up the stairs where you'll find 4 additional bedrooms, 2 additional bathrooms, the laundry room, a loft area. So this could be a second living room, a game room for the kids, an office. You've got a really nice size laundry room in this home, plenty of space. Now we're in the primary suite. So we've got crown molding, a ceiling fan in this primary suite, 9-foot ceilings on the second floor as well, and this huge, spacious primary bathroom with a double vanity, framed mirror, stand-up shower and soaker tub. That shower has a glass door on it. Got a private water closet there and a huge walk-in closet. Tons and tons of space in this floor plan. And we're going to go through the loft area. I know my kids would love this space. Set up their gaming systems. I would probably also put their homeschool desk there. And so outside of the loft area, you got 3 additional spare bedrooms. Of course, you can see this cellar is moving out at the moment. And then we've got a full bathroom. What I love about this bathroom, you've got the 2 vanities, but you've got a separation between the vanities and the tub area. And so 2 people could be getting ready at the same time. You got the 4th bedroom that's upstairs. We're looking at here, 9-foot ceilings throughout the second floor and the main floor. In this particular house, or at this particular house, we've got a full privacy fence all the way around the backyard. So if you got pets or little ones or whatever, that's good to keep them in. Lots of extra concrete for grilling, for toys, for whatever you can think of, patio sets. Lots of extra concrete was put in. This is just a really, really, really great floor plan. For more information about this house and all the other ones that we have on the market, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am Joe Siegel with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mavon Real Estate. My contact number is 803-270-7583. Feel free to give me a call, text, find me on social media, DM me right here on this video, and we will get you all the information that you're looking for.